Hi, my name is Neely Nathan. I have a website, Great Healing Getaways. It's a website and a TV show on holistic health. I research, write, and report on news of wellness, people, and places. And it's been my lifelong passion, and I'm very happy to bring you and share with you some knowledge and tips that I've learned along the way. Today we're going to be talking about homemade facials. You know, your kitchen is a mecca for natural ingredients that you can use, oranges, honey, that you can use to make homemade facials right at home. It's very easy, it's very inexpensive, it's good for your skin, and you'll have a good time. The first thing you want to do, though, before you apply a mask is to make sure your skin is clean. So the first thing I'm going to show you is a real easy, natural, gentle honey cleanser that you can make at home. So you'll start off with, I've already pre-measured, this is half a cup of honey. It's right into a bowl like that. And then approximately half a cup of glycerin, a little less than half a cup. This is all very nourishing and cleansing and softening. Then approximately 1 tablespoon, I use pure Castile soap. They say it's next to godliness, so it must be. 1 tablespoon right here. Put that in there. Mix it all up. And then this, you should have here probably about 10 to 15 applications. Mix it very well. Last thing you want to do is add your favorite essential oil. And I'm going to add orange because that's my favorite. Orange is used, it's a great cleaning agent, natural cleaning agent. So I'll put 10 drops. You see orange, essential oil of orange everywhere these days. Cleaning products, air fresheners. So there, I'm gonna, that smells good. Then what you'll do is this is a sea sponge. I've dampened it a little bit. And then what you do to wash your face, let's use this. Pour it on your face. It's not that sticky, really. And then you'll rinse it off with warm water. And I'll give you a nice, clean face to start off with.